Andrew, dude, I got an idea.
What? What's your idea?
We're taking an adventure.
To where?
To the unknown! Whoa.
To the unknown? Are you crazy? No one's been out there. That's why they call it the unknown.
Dude, I know. That's why it's gonna be an adventure.
Well, the main thing in the unknown is Mt.Starhawk, but that thing's gonna explode pretty soon, and it's pretty dangerous.
Dude, that thing hasn't moved in years. You kidding me? It's just nothing but rock now.
Alright, fine. Let's go. I got nothing better to do anyway.
So you're in?
Yep.
You serious? Then let's go!
Is this thing on? Hey, Brady.
I can't believe you're bringing that.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be the crap. You know what I'm saying?
You're dumb. Let's just go. Come on.
Alright.
Come on, let's go!
Right up, man! Oh, yeah. Damn it.
See it?
There.
Come on, after all those fences to get to it. Let's go.
Alright. Hold on, put this thing down.
Hey, look, it's not that far. Let's go.
Holy crap, that's far.
Not really.
Alright, you keep the camera now.
I see it fine.
Alright, let's go over that white fence. I think there's another neighborhood over there.
Do we really have to jump a fence, dude? Come on. Oh man, you're cool. You can hop a fence. Alright, come on, take the camera. Alright, come on, so I can hop down. Come on.
Help me out, come on. Dude, there's like no job. Being such a baby.
Come on, dude, there's glass. God, get out of my face. And put it down. Come on.
God.
Ah, wow.
Dude, you zoomed it in.
Oh,
wow.
Come on, let's just go. Mt.Starhawk isn't that way.
Wait a minute.
It's not that far. Come on. What was that?
Look at that mount. There's something wrong with
Oh
it.
my god. Why is it smoking?
We gotta go. We can't go anywhere.
Oh my god. Let's do it. Andrew,
gotta
run!
go.
Run, Andrew, run!
We gotta go.
Andrew, come on. Come on, Andrew.
Come on.
Gotta go. Gotta go.
I'm ready.
Come on.
All right.
Oh my god, look at the volcano.
Get up.
Oh my god, look at it.
Get up.
Come on.
Get up.
My
Get
head.
up. We got. Ouch. Come on. We gotta live this, man. We gotta survive this. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. Jump it, Cameron. Let's go. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Ouch. Come on. Andrew. Andrew, no. Come on, Andrew. Come on. Live. Come on, Andrew. I'm sorry. My name is Brady Boris. Mt.Starhawk just exploded, leaving tons of ash clouds and toxic fumes and radiating in the earth, in the air. Oh, I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. I lost my best friend, and I don't know how much longer I have. Ugh.